After spending an entire month studying dividend ETFs, digging through returns, volatility, yield traps, dividends, expenses, holdings, and long-term sustainability, I've finally found the true winners among the most popular dividend ETFs: DIA, VYM, DIV, SCHD, and SPYD. This video is going to be long, detailed, and brutally honest. If you want the truth about dividend ETFs, not hype, not clickbait, this is the video you've been waiting for. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's break down exactly what I discovered after 30 days of deep research. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Why these 5 ETFs? Before diving into the data, let's answer a simple question. Why did I choose DIA, VYM, DIV, SCHD, and SPYD? Each of these ETFs represents a completely different style of dividend investing. DIA, high-quality blue chips from the Dow. VYM, broad, stable, large cap value dividend ETF. DIV, super high yield ETF with abnormal income. SCHD, high quality dividend growth monster. SPYD, equal weight high yield S&P 500 dividend ETF. Together, they give a full picture of the dividend universe: income, growth, value, stability, and volatility. ETF breakdown, one by one. We will break down each ETF in depth, spending roughly 2 minutes per ETF. This creates a detailed, 10-minute full analysis. ETF number 1, DIA, the Dow Jones ETF. What DIA is? The SPDR Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF Trust, ticker DIA, tracks 30 of America's most iconic blue-chip companies. Yield forward dividend yield, around 2%. Key strengths: extremely stable. Holds household names like Apple, Microsoft, JP Morgan, Chevron, etc. Long history of performance. My research findings: for income investors, DIA is not a high-yield ETF, but it is a high-quality ETF. After studying it for a month, I concluded, DIA behaves more like an S&P 500 alternative than a dividend play. Its dividends are consistent but not exciting. Who DIA is for retirees needing stability. Conservative long-term investors. Those who want income but prioritize safety. Who DIA is not for investors seeking high yield. Dividend growth fanatics. Anyone wanting better value for fees. ETF number 2, VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. The Steady Eddy ETF, VYM, is the definition of slow, steady, consistent dividend income. Yield forward yield, around 3%. My findings after 1 month of research: low volatility. Extremely diversified. Lower expense ratio than almost all competitors. But VYM grows slower than SCHD and yields less than SPYD. It is the middle ground ETF. Strengths cheaper than SCHD. More diversified. Safer for long-term investors. Weaknesses not the strongest performer. Dividend growth is modest. Who VYM is best for 10+ year investors. Retirement portfolios. Anyone wanting low maintenance stability. ETF number 3, Div, the high yield outlier. Div is the high yield addict's dream ETF. Div pays an eye-popping yield, often 7% to 9% plus. But everything this month-long research uncovered shows this. High yield comes with high risk. Key observations: high exposure to REITs. High exposure to energy. High exposure to small-cap financials. Major weakness: poor long-term performance. High turnover. Unstable dividends. Big discovery from my research: Div is not a buy-and-hold ETF. It is a short-term income tool, not a lifelong compounding asset. Ideal for investors seeking large monthly payouts. Short-term high-income strategies. Not ideal for long-term wealth building. Retirees needing predictability. Anyone trying to beat inflation over 20 years. ETF number 4, SCHD, the dividend growth champion. The most popular dividend ETF for a reason. SCHD is the perfect blend of quality, growth, and yield. Yield around 3.5% to 4%. My biggest research finding: SCHD delivers the best dividend growth among all 5 ETFs. It doesn't just pay dividends, it raises them aggressively. Strengths: strong quality screens. Strong fundamentals. Superior long-term performance. Excellent dividend stability. Weaknesses: sector concentration risk. Recent underperformance due to value rotation. Who SCHD is best for long-term dividend growth investors. Investors under 50 building wealth. Anyone wanting high total return plus growing income. ETF number 5, SPYD, the equal weight high yield ETF. SPYD is the yield monster. SPYD pays one of the highest yields among S&P 500 dividend ETFs. Yield around 4.5% to 5%. My month-long finding: SPYD gives high yield but is extremely cyclical. Strengths: very high yield. Attractive equal weight structure. Simple, transparent selection rules. Weaknesses: highly volatile. Sectors like real estate and financials hit it hard. Dividend cuts happen. Best for yield-focused investors. Medium-term income strategies. Complementing SCHD or VYM. After studying these ETFs for 30 days straight, here's the truth. Best overall ETF: SCHD, strong yield plus strong growth plus strong performance. Best safe ETF: VYM, reliable. Low risk. Long-term comfort. Best high yield ETF: SPYD, great for income. Risky but rewarding. Best stability ETF: DIA, rock solid blue chips. Best short-term income ETF: Div, huge payouts, but handle with care. If you're building a dividend portfolio, choose SCHD for growth, add VYM for stability, Sprinkle SPYD if you want yield, use DIA for defensive strength, use Div only if you understand the risks. After a full month of analyzing everything, these are the real winners, not based on hype, but on data. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.